Hello and welcome to Expanding with me, Vipul. Expanding is when you try to bring what is outside of grouping symbols inside. So you try to spread it out. So we have our example here, 2, which is outside these parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have 2a plus 3. So if we want to expand, we have to multiply 2 by each term in this group. So 2 times 2 is 2. So 2a times 2 is 4a. Sorry. A. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Let's do another example. 5, which is outside the parentheses, 2m minus 1. 5 times 2m, wait, 5 times 2m is 10m, minus 5 times 1, which is 5. Now you might be asking, why don't we try and add 4a plus 6? Because unlike terms do not add up together. You cannot add 4a plus 6. If it was 4a plus 6a, then it could be 10a. So I'll be talking about factorizing. Factoring is when you're trying to get this whole expression into just a number and a grouping and a group. So say we have 5x plus 10xy. 5x and 10xy. Their highest common factor would probably be 5, because 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. Highest common factor is the factor, or what number you get multiplied, is the highest and is common of these two numbers. You can pick any two numbers and try and find the highest common factor, but we won't get into that right now. So we divide this highest common factor with this 5x. So 5 divided by 5x, you just left with x. Gonna write a bit bigger. X. So now we know what's gonna be outside the bracket. So 5 x plus 5 divided by 10xy. 5 divided by 10xy would be 2xy. That would be our answer. So we're going to do the same thing with 4m plus 8m. The highest common factor of 4m and 8m is 4. Um, 4 divided by 4 is just m. So this highest common factor is also what's going to multiply into these two numbers in the grouping symbol. So the highest common factor is the number which is going to be outside. So 4. And then we have 4 divided by 4m is m, plus 4 divided by 4, 8mn would be 2mn, and that would be our answer.